Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open and close the download mode on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to access the download mode, we will need to use the recovery mode, and in addition to that you will also need the USB cable. You will need to connect your Xiaomi device to a PC, laptop, or in general to a computer. But before we do that, we can open the recovery mode. So in order to do that, we need to power off our device. You can use power button and volume up key in order to open the power menu, and then power off your device. Now once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. We need to hold both of these buttons, and once you see the logo, you want to release the power button but keep holding the volume up key. So let's keep holding both of these buttons and then release the power button and keep holding the volume up button. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. In order to access the download mode, we need to go down to connect with MI Assistant. You need to use volume down key in order to scroll down. You can use up in order to go up, of course. And then you need to confirm the selected option by pressing the power button. Now we will see something like this. This is now the time to connect your Xiaomi device to your computer. And then once you connect it, then you should be able to use the download mode. Of course, you will need to also have the MI software on your PC, the appropriate one, in order to be able to, for instance, use the download mode properly. But in general, this is how we can do that. Now, in order to exit the download mode, what you need to do is pretty much press and hold the power button. So let's press and hold the power button and keep holding it until the screen turns off, and then once it is off, you can of course still keep holding it to see the MI logo. There we go. Now there is a chance that you will go into the recovery mode again. Yeah, so if that's the case, then what you need to do is pretty much choose reboot. So press once again the power button and then confirm by choosing reboot the system. So once again press power button, and this time our device should turn back onto the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.